Hi there everyone, I'm Henry Bechelet from ICL and I'm here for a quick catch-up as the spring approaches. So this time we thought to have a quick think about winter sports pitch renovations and in particular the importance of seed choice. Now, seed or species variety choice will be highly influential on your pitch performance in terms of both speed and quality of establishment, but then surface quality and tolerance through the playing season. Obviously, the success of your maintenance program will depend on a number of other factors like drainage, soil profile, physical makeup, or chemical stroke nutrient status, as well as things like moisture control and disease prevention, etc. There's plenty of things to think about, but the quality of the grass types is a big influencing factor, and it is certainly something that we would want to influence ourselves or control. Now, this was really nicely highlighted when we conducted a pitch maintenance trial at the SCRI a few years ago, where the plots were being managed under wear through a simulated playing season scenario. What the trial showed was that during the growing season, the key determinant for pitch performance was the nutritional approach or the use of plant growth regulators. But as growth declined during the autumn and winter, it was the quality of the grass varieties that became the most important factor. It showed that good genetics or top-rated grass varieties are essential if you want to maintain pitch performance in suboptimal growing conditions. And so this is why at ICL we place so much importance on securing top-rated varieties for our mixes and forming strong partnerships with specialist seed producers like DSV. And remember, you can always check the rankings and attributes of the latest grass varieties in the SCRI Turfgrass Seed Booklet. Okay, in the 2023 iteration of the Pro Select 1 Premium Pitch Mix, we've secured 5 top-rated varieties from the DSV stable, chosen to provide a quick establishing, hard-wearing sward with a good natural colour, density and strong levels of disease tolerance. This is a fully updated blend that is really up there with the very best. But along with those proven varieties, we also double down on the quality of the blend with the very highest levels of germination and seed cleanliness that go well beyond both the US and EU minimum quality standards. Of course, there are a lot of seed mixtures out there, but your job is to choose the mix that is the highest possible standard to suit the needs of your pitch. And the varieties in Pro Select 1 have been chosen for both speed of establishment, but also in-season performance, with an ability to carry you through those suboptimal winter periods. Your pitch really does need the best grasses. Okay, so simple enough. Let's catch up next time for a quick look at seedbed fertilizer, which is also really important.